good pizza for lunch. Go wash my hands. Be right back. I had 16/16. You ate the whole thing? Hey, thanks so much for joining me today, folks. We are going to talk about measurement and how to use a tape measure. All right, so as you saw, I like pizza. It's tasty. It is divided into sections. A lot of your pizza will be divided into 8 or 12 pieces, but we're going to pretend it's divided into 16 pieces. All right, so we got our pizza here. Now let's go ahead and cut it. We have a cut here and a cut here. So now we have 4 equal parts. So we have 1 of 4. This would be 1 of 4, or a fourth. 1 of 4, and 1 of 4. So each part is a quarter of a pizza. So now we're going to cut it again. We went from quarters. We're going to bisect every one of those pieces. And now we have it divided into 8. We have 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go ahead one step farther and cut those in half again. Okay, now we have 16 pieces. So we have 16 even pieces. If I were to eat a few of these, we'll say I took and ate this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, I would have eaten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I could say I ate 6 pieces, but that wouldn't be the whole story, right? I would have to say I ate 6 out of 16 pieces, or 3/8. 6/16 can be simplified to 3/8. So I ate 3/8 of the pizza. My family would not be happy if I ate that much pizza, would they? Didn't leave them enough for them. So it's the same way with measuring on a tape measure. So just like a tape measure, a pizza has individual slices, right? This tape measure or this ruler has the same size gaps between each line. Okay? So each one of these is a 16th. There are 15 lines because remember, the last one would be a whole number, not 16/16. You wouldn't call it that. It is 16/16, but we don't call it that. We would just call it 1. So we can name all of these lines different things. Yes, they can all be 16ths. This could be 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, and so on. So we have certain ones in here that can be called a different name. We have ones that can be simplified. So we will go ahead, we will simplify these. 2/16 can be simplified to 1/8. Okay? 4/16 can be simplified to 1/4. 6/16 can be simplified to 3/8. 8/16 is easier said as 1/2. 10/16, 5/8. 12/16, 3/4, and 14/16 is 7/8. These are the easier ways to understand it, so that way you don't have to count every one. If I need to know where 5/8 is, well, I know it's past the middle point. It's 5 of the 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also know it's 10/16. I know this is 8, 9, 10. So that's how to understand measurement and how to understand what all those numbers between the tape measure are. So if you have a hard time remembering that, just remember you could always count. Start at 0, count the number of 16s, and you should be able to figure out the measurement. So thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks for the view. Remember to work hard mentally as well as physically, because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.